Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance both the look and functionality of your home. For many homeowners in Warren, bay windows have become a popular choice, and for good reason. These distinctive windows offer a combination of style, space, and performance that makes them a valuable addition to almost any home. One of the main reasons homeowners upgrade to bay windows is the dramatic increase in natural light. Bay windows are designed with 3 or more panels that extend outward, allowing sunlight to enter from multiple angles. This brings more brightness into your living space compared to traditional flat windows. In Warren, where seasonal changes can affect daylight, this added light helps create a warmer, more inviting atmosphere year-round. Another major advantage is the sense of added space. Because bay windows project outward from the wall, they create a small extension of your interior. This extra space can be used in a variety of ways, such as a cozy seating area, a reading nook, or even additional storage. Even if you don't use the space functionally, the visual expansion makes rooms feel larger and more open, which is especially beneficial in smaller living areas. Bay windows also enhance your home's overall appearance, both inside and out. From the exterior, they add depth and architectural interest, helping your home stand out in the neighborhood. Inside, they create a focal point that can elevate your interior design. Homeowners in Warren often appreciate how bay windows blend classic charm with modern appeal, making them suitable for a wide range of home styles. Improved views are another reason many homeowners make the switch. The angled design of bay windows provides a wider field of vision, allowing you to enjoy more of your outdoor surroundings. Whether it's your yard, street view, or seasonal scenery, bay windows bring the outside in and create a stronger connection to your environment. Energy efficiency is also an important factor to consider. Modern bay windows are built with advanced materials and glass technologies that help regulate indoor temperatures. Features like double or triple pane glass and insulated frames reduce heat transfer, keeping your home more comfortable throughout the year. In Warren's varying climate, this means staying warmer in colder months and cooler during warmer periods, all while reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Ventilation is another benefit that adds to their appeal. Many bay window designs include operable side panels, which allow fresh air to flow into your home. This improves indoor air quality and helps create a more comfortable living environment. Having the option to combine natural light with fresh airflow makes bay windows a versatile choice. Homeowners also appreciate the long-term value that bay windows provide. Not only do they improve daily comfort, but they also increase the overall value of your home. Potential buyers often view bay windows as a desirable feature because of their aesthetic appeal and functional benefits. This makes them a smart investment if you're considering selling your home in the future. Durability is another reason to upgrade. Modern bay windows are built to withstand daily use and changing weather conditions. High-quality materials resist warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring that your windows maintain their appearance and performance over time. With proper installation and minimal maintenance, bay windows can provide lasting benefits for years to come. Customization options also make bay windows an attractive upgrade. Homeowners in Warren can choose from a variety of styles, materials, and finishes to match their home's design. Whether you prefer a traditional look or something more contemporary, bay windows can be tailored to suit your preferences. Finally, upgrading to bay windows simply makes your home more enjoyable. The combination of increased light, expanded space, and enhanced views creates a more comfortable and visually appealing environment. It's an upgrade that not only improves your home's performance but also enhances your everyday living experience. In the end, homeowners in Warren choose bay windows because they offer a well-rounded improvement that combines beauty, functionality, and value. If you're looking for a way to transform your home while making a smart long-term investment, bay windows are a choice worth considering.